stabbed in the back and the rest of your body won't tell me where you're bleeding from. If you need a tourniquet or if you want to turn and quit, know that I'll be by your side. You bled your whole soul into things you can't control in a world you'll never satisfy. I'll bandage up your body and your bones and your band-aids too. Take care of the blood that your love runs through. I know all the damage that some days in this dark world does. But you were laughing last evening, something I dreamed of. When you finally feel the blood you spill into everybody else, I'll tourniquet your toes to your crown.